Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today I create this simple braid hairstyle. Okay, so let's get started into the video. So first of all, take a comb and comb thoroughly your hair that there are no tangles at all. Please subscribe my channel guys. And like, comment, share my videos guys. So let's take a side partition of your hair. Gather into your hair into one side. Okay, now take a small section from top. Okay, now take below the lower section of your top hair like so. Okay, that is called front section and this is called back section. Okay, now the front section cross over the back section. Okay, now add some hair into top section and cross over the next section. Okay, again do the same procedure. Add some hair into front section and cross over into the back section. Okay, this is called twisted braid hairstyle. Okay, keep on adding the front section and cross over the back section. Okay, till reach your ear. And then keep on twisting my hair like so. Okay, now take a tic tac pin and fix it at the back side like so. Now pull out your front hair, it will give bouncy look of your hair. Now one side completed and another side. Okay, take a small hair, take a bunch of hair and twist it and add some more hair into and again twist it and add again hair and twist it. Now take a tic tac pin and fix it at the back side. Now take all over hair into one side. So that the braid was completed. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, never miss another update. Bye guys, keep smiling.